Hello guys, we welcome all of you. Today in this video we will learn about the basic parameters information regarding Nokia KPIs. As we have already completed Nokia KPIs like accessibility, retainability, mobility and integrity related videos, so don't forget to watch. Okay, so go in description and click on the given link and watch each and every video till the end. Okay, so now before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, so first subscribe this and do not forget to press bell icon for more RF related videos. Okay, so let's start. In these slides we covered all the important parameters and each parameters information. Okay, so start. First one is a Pucch minimum number Rrc connection. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Here you can see minimum allocated number of UEs in the cell which may establish a Rrc connection. Next one is countdown Pucch compression. Okay, its meaning is it specifies the countdown timer that defines how long it takes before any new SIB modification process may be triggered again by a Pucch region compression. Okay, next parameter is Rrc Guard Timer. This timer is started when an Rrc message for setup, modification or release of a radio bearer is sent to the UE. When the timer expires, the corresponding process is aborted. Okay, next one is P maximum. These are the power related parameters. Number one is P maximum. It is maximum output power of the cell. Next one is DL cell power. Okay, DL cell power red value 0 dB only supported improve cell age behavior, reduce interference and power consumption. Okay, next one is DL channel bandwidth. It is downlink channel bandwidth. Next one is Dlrs Boost. That means transmission power of the downlink reference signal in a cell is boosted, that is positive values respectively. Okay, deboosted negative values compared to PDSEH. Okay, next one is T of Rrc connection. That means the minimal time period during which the internal state and the resource associated with an half open Rrc connection must not be deleted in the inode B. Sixth one is P0 normal Pucch. It means this parameter defines the cell specific nominal power, okay, to be used for Pucch power calculation in uplink UE uplink power control equalization equation P2 for controlling mean received SNR for control data. Next parameter is P0 nominal Pusch. Okay, this means this parameter defines the cell specific nominal power for the Pusch yani physical uplink shared channel used for P0 Pusch calculation in UE uplink power control equation P1 for controlling the mean received SNR for user data during transmission or retransmission corresponding to a received PDCCH with DCI format 0. Okay, associated with a new packet transmission. And next one is 8th Qrx Level Minimum. It specifies the minimum required Rx RSRP level in the cell. Next one is T300. That means timer 300. Timer T300 supervises the Rrc connection establishment procedure. Next one is timer 310. It implies timer T310 supervises the RRC connection reestablishment procedure. Next one is timer 310. Above was the timer 301. Okay, T310 supervises the recovery from physical layer problems. Next one is timer 311 supervises the RRC connection reestablishment. Next one is counter N310. This is the maximum number of consecutive out of synchronization indications received from lower layers. Next one counter is N311, maximum number of consecutive in synchronous indications received from lower layer. Okay, so next parameter is NCQI DTX. That means the parameter defines the number of consecutive CQI discontinuous transmission detections causing radio link failure indication. Next parameter is Dlrs CQI Offset. It provides the CQI link adaptation offset applied to downlink transmissions containing SRB1 message. Okay, the more negative, the more value, the more conservative the MCS and PDCCH aggregation level will be for the downlink SRB1 message transmission. Next one is A3 offset. Okay, low values implies handover earlier and high values shows the delay the handover. Okay, next one is Hysteresis A3 Offset. It shows low values ping pong handover, high values delay the handover and possible lead to lost connection to the serving cell. Next parameter is A3 time to trigger. ठीक है, it means low values ping pong handover, high values delay the handover and possible lead to lost connection to the serving cell. Last one parameter is TS1 REL pre-PL. Okay, it means timer is started when source eNode sends S1 AP handover required message to MME and it is stopped when S1 AP handover command or S1 AP handover preparation failure. Okay, it's and now in our next video we will talk about Ericsson KPIs. So that's all. Thank you.